Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about E.L.F blushes. I used to love these, especially when I first started my channel. I mainly did a bunch of E.L.F hauls, and I will say, these are still great. I actually have this one on today. I'm not sure if you can really see it, but these are still great. The only thing I have to say is I remember in this packaging, it used to be $1, and then the studio packaging, which was the black, I really liked those blushes a lot. They were $3. Now these are $3. You can sometimes find them at Dollar Trees, which I recommend, because the packaging honestly isn't that great. It is going to end up breaking. However, the product on the inside is very nice. Just the packaging isn't that great. But I will say though, I was surprised that now those are $3. And I couldn't find any of the studio blushes. Granted, I don't know if they call it that anymore, but I used to love a few of them. There was like Tickled Pink, there was Candid Coral. I used to really like, it was like a really bright fuchsia pink, and it was like passion pink or something. It was matte. It was gorgeous though. I personally really liked it, and it was so bright. It needed the littlest bit, but it would pack a punch, and I used to really like that blush. I wish they'd bring back more of the studio blushes. I did see on their website they had like, I think 1 or 2 as an option. I think they had maybe like Twinkle Pink and Candid Coral maybe, but I want them back again. Give me the colors back, because I used to really like them. But I was a little surprised because these used to be $1. Granted, I still say for $3 they're still worth it, and I feel like a lot of people would really like them. This is really pigmented. This guy I feel like could go for more skin tones. And this is in the shade Bright Pink, and then this one's blushing. This is probably more for like the light and fair skin tones, but very pretty, pigmented. This one's matte. This one does have sparkle in it, but all around really good product. Like I said, packaging's not that great. I wish it was still on the dollar, but I can understand that nowadays, not $1. Totally get it, completely understand. But I would like them to bring back the E.L.F Studio blushes and like the whole line of them. Please bring them back. I can't be the only one who loved that passion pink. It was so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below if there's anything else you guys would like me to talk about, especially going back on my old favorites. So far I've been pleasantly surprised. I've been going pretty good so far. I've been getting pretty lucky. There's a few things I was trying to get my hands on, but they just don't make it anymore. But I'm trying my best. But if it's discontinued, that means at this point it's so old that it would just be gross no matter what. So I'm definitely trying though, but what can you do? Thanks again so much. Please be sure to subscribe. And thanks guys. I'll see you next time.